Now you've no doubt heard of and probably tasted black pepper beef, but have you ever had black pepper chicken? It's a dish that actually works really well, and that black pepper provides a lovely warming heat instead of the fiery heat you get with chilies. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by prepping the chicken. I've got 3 chicken breasts in my bowl here that have been sliced into thin strips. And I'm going to sprinkle on 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then toss it all together to coat the chicken. Now heat 2 tablespoons of neutral oil and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil in a wok or in a large frying pan over a high heat until hot. Once the oil's hot, add the chicken and stir fry for about 5 minutes, moving it around constantly so it doesn't stick together until that chicken's lightly browned. Now reduce the heat to medium-high, and we're going to add in a large onion that's been peeled and thickly sliced, and a sliced green and red bell pepper. We're also going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Then stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, frequently tossing everything together until the vegetables are just starting to soften. So whilst the chicken and vegetables are cooking, we're going to make the sauce. To a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. Now stir all that together until the cornflour is fully incorporated. Then we're going to add in 120 ml or 1/2 cup of chicken stock and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and stir it all together to combine. Now add that sauce to the pan with the chicken. Stir together and heat for 1 to 2 minutes until it comes to a gentle simmer. Now turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. I like to serve this with some fluffy white rice and a sprinkling of chopped spring onions. Such a brilliant, simple stir fry, and although it's got 2 teaspoons of black pepper in there, it really doesn't overwhelm the dish. It just gives it a lovely warming heat. I absolutely love simple stir fries like this. I'll see you next time. They're so good.